Because Amazon, the origin of it is the need to deal with the unknown. And funny thing, people say that they like surprises, but it's not true. It's not true. They like the surprise that they want, the surprises that they want. Myself, I'm a bit different because I like some kind of surprises. So this is why I deal with appeals. This is why I'm taking other seller problem and trying to deal with them. I have my own, let's call it, needs to know that I've fixed the hardest problem. I don't know why it's so difficult, but you know what? I preferred it. You know this one, right?
Oh, I know that one. Marsha Reese's Stay Well.
Stay Well Copper.
Yep.
So this product and this brand was the way Marshall is calling it in Amazon jail for something like 11 months.
Yep.
And we have managed to fix it. We got she's writing. And we've managed to fix it. It took us about a month, something like that. And we managed to fix it. And you know what? I cannot even tell you how proud I am to see Marsha's product on Amazon. For me, that's the word. So this is me. But most of the normal people do not like problems, and they are trying to avoid them. It's like a lot of people are commenting. So I hope I'm not
we'll get
missing
to
it.
those questions.
Yeah, okay.
In a bit. Don't worry about that.
No.
That's Kelsey's only job. Yeah.
No. I'm really happy to. But now I have now I know who is uploading the comment. So anyway, I'm also usually commenting. You know that I like this your show. So most of the normal people try to avoid problems. They don't like problems, but they need to understand. And this is me trying to explain beforehand for those who are starting on Amazon. This is part of the ecosystem. It's the cost of doing things. Whenever you have a problem, it doesn't mean something has happened. It's just a stage. It's normal. All seller had problems. You probably had your own things.
Gazillion. It's not if, it's when. But can I add something here?
Sure.
Like we've talked about certainty. Now we're talking about uncertainty. And you might even want to say that uncertainty for an Amazon seller is being resilient. If you do get these emails, go in the